You fucking cheater!
Please, let me explain.
Para saan, ha? Para lokohin mo ko ulit? Kita-kita sa video ka, Alex. Nakipaggalikan ka kay Amethyst. Napakagago mo! Manloloko ka eh!
You don't understand. Please, hear me out.
Fuck you! Ha? Hindi mo ako naiintindihan eh! Ilang linggo mo na ako niloloko. Ilang linggo na!
Sabay tayo. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Alex,
Don't fucking touch me. What the fuck is your problem?
I'm sorry. They just told me to kiss the man that I like.
Know your boundaries.
I should have told you immediately. My mistake is that I tried to settle everything on my own. Luna, it was my friendship.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Luna.